What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are packing up the Evo and taking it to Ocean City Cruise Week. If you guys follow the channel, you'll know that I haven't had the Evo in about 3 weeks because we sent the turbo out to Cruisin to get rebuilt because it was blowing smoke between shifts, meaning the oil seals were bad. So that is back in the car, no more smoke now. So yeah, we're gonna be packing up the car. I've got a lot of E85 to take down with me because once you cross the Bay Bridge, there's like no E85 stations. We got about 27 gallons of E85. Fingers crossed that gets me through the weekend. It should. But yeah, we're gonna pack up the car and then we're gonna meet up with Dean. So Dean cannot bring his Mark IV Supra, which is a bummer. He wasn't able to get the title in time, so we couldn't get it registered in Maryland in time. So we're not gonna chance it and have it get impounded, but we are gonna still go with Ryan and his RX-7, and Dean is going to bring his imported Land Cruiser, which is still cool. It's a right-hand drive. It's like a 92, 93 Land Cruiser, so should still be pretty cool. I know that this event is like a classic car event. Now, this isn't really a classic car. It is historic, but you know what? I think as long as like, you're a car enthusiast, this is a great event, and you're not, you know, disrespecting Ocean City and doing dumb stuff. It's a pretty fun weekend. So we'll try to get probably 2 of these jugs in the Evo. We're probably going to put a couple in Dean's Land Cruiser and then one in my girlfriend's car. Going to bring down some wash stuff, a little bit of tools, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting on the road and meeting up with everybody. All right, guys, so we just got the Wawa. Dean's got the Land Cruiser. Loaded up the back seat with a couple jugs of gas. We put a couple jugs of gas in his Land Cruiser, so we're just waiting on Ryan to get here. He should be here in the next couple minutes. Well, you're complaining already.
You know, you can't go anywhere without a steer. So my passenger window's not going down. Oh, so I just touched that side and it went down. Well, now it's not going up. So I'm like, no, great, is it stuck down now? Now mine made it go up. I'm like, that's a first. All right, I'm gonna take.
Go get your energy drinks.
Are you getting anything?
We already got stuff, so we're just waiting on you.
Right, I'll be right back. I want to wash the shoe. Yeah, that thing is awesome.
Yeah. You hadn't seen it before.
Yeah, he's never seen that.
I'm an old four-wheeling guy, so I don't know.
Alright guys, so we're about 50 minutes outside of Ocean City. So far, I've only used about a half a tank total from Frederick to this point. So, yeah, we're just cruising along, doing the speed limit, trying to keep the RPMs down. There's Ryan right there, and Dean. So yeah, we're just cruising together, enjoying the ride. Just made it into Ocean City. It's already crazy. There's a GTR.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some footage for town.
Yeah, we can literally just sit right over here.
We can just go sit under their balcony and then, yeah, all I have in the Land Cruiser are your 2 jugs.
Yeah. This is right. This is nuts. So.
See, I like that because if people drunk walk by, they're not gonna see my shit.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, it's Thursday night.
would be cool, Ryan. It would be cool if you parked right next to it. I mean,
What,
it would.
for video?
Yeah. I can sit right here. Or, can we get up on the pool deck right now? Yeah. That's where we should film from.
All right, so you want to get the fuel later?
All right, guys, so we made it to Ocean City. I'm going to get some footage of the strip and the cars going by, so that'll do it for this video. If you want to see just like raw footage of the strip, then that'll be in the next video. So thanks for watching.